Alright, we are moving. So we got our clothes all on the bed there. There's just the kids' blankets. A few wet things still hanging up. This is what the back looks like. Now that I had time to organize it, the shelves came down. I did decide to tape this pantry door shut because a few things fell out on our big drive. We're only going 50 miles, so it shouldn't move around too much. I don't know, you probably can't see under there, but some of our clothes baskets and things that were up on the shelf are in there, and we are good to go. Destin. Henderson Beach State Park.
Can be an empty day, but God's love can fill the empty. His love for you is not
Alright, here's our spot at Henderson Beach. We are site 37. Nice big gravel area, picnic table, the fire pit. And I really like that they have a double clothesline here. We are gonna use that. So far so good. Right, so we stopped at Walmart on our way to the campground and I got a little toaster, a small one. Our big one at home has 4 slices and it's huge, so this is like $8.88. Some of the boys needed new shoes. We had to get sunscreen. And then we got something fun for the kids. We got 3 of these boogie boards or body boards for them to share. So we're gonna go to the beach pretty quick. Alright, this is the path from the campsite to the beach. It's kind of cold.
No, it's not.
Everyone else is wearing jackets.
I'm cold. Are you?
It's farther than hoped for. Yeah, should have brought a stroller. What?
The wind is blowing straight lines.
There's some cactus down there. There's the beach. Whoa! The boardwalk's a little sandy. I'm not gonna go in the water quite yet. Let's all get down there first. Caleb and Rebecca are doing school in the camper. They're doing math. We're kind of having a lazy day because it's kind of cold out and we had some stuff to do around the camper. So doing a little... We're at near Destin at Henderson Beach Campground. We thought that the sand and the beach was amazing at Fort Pickens, but this is even whiter and finer and the water is prettier. It's crazy. It's beautiful. Hey everybody, I was just popping back in this video as I was editing it. I realized that I didn't take any video of our Sunday. So we tried real hard to go to church every Sunday that we were on our trip. We did not go our very first Sunday because we got to Pensacola Saturday night and we didn't know where church was and we didn't want to drive far to find a church the very next morning after driving for 2 days. So we missed the first Sunday, but we did go every Sunday after that. So on our first Sunday on our trip, we went to the Sanctuary United Pentecostal Church in Mary Esther, Florida. It was a wonderful small church. We really liked it and the people were very friendly, so thumbs up to that church. We loved you guys. Thank you for making us feel good. We also left Henderson Beach on that Sunday and we took our camper to church with us. So their parking lot was very small. So we ended up having to park about 1.5 blocks away across a very, very busy street. And I think we ended up in a Winn-Dixie parking lot. So I was a little bit nervous to just leave the camper in the van there for a 2-hour church service, but it was still there when we got back. All was well. So we got back in the van and we actually went to a Burger King that was in Destin. I think it was back in Destin, and they had a deal going on. You know, we love frugal meals, and Burger King had a deal for 10 chicken nuggets for $1. So I actually went into Burger King and we ordered 120 chicken nuggets. It was hilarious, and the lady that was working there, I don't remember her name, but she was so funny and so fun, and she just laughed. She died when we said we wanted 120 chicken nuggets. It was just really fun, and we were just really excited. Okay, it's almost bedtime here in our, yeah, it's almost bedtime here. So I just wanted to pop in and tell you that we did go to church and we really enjoyed the Sanctuary in Mary Esther, Florida, and then we really enjoyed the Burger King in Destin. The staff there was wonderful. She gave us a whole stack of Burger King crowns, which you'll probably see some of those crowns in some later videos. They were pretty fun. So that's it. That's everything at Henderson Beach. We only stayed there for 2 nights because it's a popular place and we couldn't get a longer, we couldn't get any more days there. So next time you can stay tuned. We headed to Topsail after Henderson Beach. That will be the next video. So thank you for watching. Have a great night.